Not sure how to save money on anything? Or is everything just too expensive? As a below poverty line individual, I get it. There are things I can teach you and ways to save money differently. So if that interests you, stay tuned. Welcome to my home and let's see what I am doing. Hey, banana. Hey guys, so in this month's shopping list, you can either add breadcrumbs to it, but I am going to show you using the sandwich bread recipe I just did, or will be about to do soon. I'm going to show you how simple it is to make your own homemade breadcrumbs. So here it is. So there are a couple ways you can do this. Here I just threw out some bread onto a sheet pan, and I'm going to form it into a single layer, and I'm going to leave that overnight. But if you want shelf-stable breadcrumbs, here's what you're going to do. So you're essentially going to preheat your oven
Ding ding dong.
to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you are going to toast the bread, tossing every now and then until the bread is completely dry. You also want to have your bread in smaller pieces. The smaller they are, the quicker it'll go. I'd say if you put this in a food processor, you can simply have like smaller chunks, kind of like this, that will go really quickly in the oven, maybe a minute or two at 400. But they need to be completely dry in order for you to be able to keep them as a shelf-stable product. So make sure they are completely dry and crunchy if you are doing them in the oven. If you're not doing them in the oven and you're just tossing them out on the counter to dry out, then what you'll want to do is put them in the freezer in individual serving sizes, or you can just freeze it all together, your choice, and then they'll last a bit longer and be perfect for breadcrumbs. And just like that, you'll have dry breadcrumbs, and since you're making the bread already, possibly, it's just simple to do your own at this point. And if you're not doing your own, you can always take the bread ends from the sandwich bread you buy at the store and dry them out the exact same way. So until next time, a banana. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my content here today, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing helps my channel go so far, and I appreciate those that do. See you next time. A banana.